Hello everyone, welcome back. Kothavarangai Fry, a simple South Indian dish made with cluster beans. Cluster beans are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting digestive health and providing essential nutrients for our overall well being. Let's quickly jump into the recipe. Heat coconut oil, preferably in a mud pot. Splatter mustard seeds. Add red chilies, chopped cluster beans, along with salt, and mix everything together. Add just enough water and cook covered. Meanwhile, let's grind grated coconut, chili powder, garlic cloves, shallots, curry leaves, and cumin seeds. Grind it coarsely without adding water. Once the cluster beans is cooked, add turmeric powder along with the coconut mix. And little bit of chili flakes for a good red color here and there on the fry. Mix everything and cook for another minute before putting it off. Serve it fresh and hot with rice and curry of your choice. Check out for other stir-fry recipes in the description below. Thanks for watching.